Welcome back to the channel. As we dey here, they bring you back to back update, back to back info as e dey for our table. They say that Tinubu don panic as e be like this now. Wey be some people for inside Rivers State don declare say they are Biafra and they demand the unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. No be small thing as that one dey happen. Now they say some other people don see come outside come talk say make they carry Tinubu comot to bring Buhari come give them back. I go play you the video, may you watch as it happen for that area. Before we go come back right now, come continue.
But for you, sir, you're a Biafra.
I'm a Biafra.
And Biafra must go.
Not must. Biafra is already on their own. That's why you people are holding my brother, because you know that we have already existed.
Okay.
All right.
So that is the solution to the.
Can you move the message to Tinubu?
Yes, that's what we are doing right now.
Tell him that there's one Mr. John come to pass.
Yeah, a Biafra living in Nigeria.
Biafra in a Biafra land. I don't know what
is
this
Biafra land, sir?
This is a Biafra land.
But Ikwere man will never agree. Say this.
Who is Ikwere man? Ikwere man is a Biafra man.
Ikwere man, no, they say this is.
Ikwere man is Biafra man. I don't need to go into argument.
Is Ikwere Igbo, sir?
Is it only Igbo that is Biafra?
Yes.
No.
Akwa Ibom man said they are not Biafra.
Akwa Ibom, is it an Igbo?
He said Edo Biafra too.
Edo is Biafra now.
So the south and the southeast is the Biafra.
I don't know where you call south or southeast. I say I am in Biafra land.
South consists of Edo, Benin.
We don't have anything like south in Biafra land.
Okay.
It's so-called Nigeria government that bring that politics in Biafra land. That this is southeast, this is south, nothing like south. We are all one.
Okay.
So
but normal Ikwere man go say no be.
Who is Ikwere man? Ikwere man is a Biafra man.
They say they are from Edo State. They are south.
I don't know where they come from. I don't know.
So Port Harcourt is Ikwere is Biafra.
What are you talking? There's nothing like Port Harcourt. We call it Igbocha. So nothing like Port Harcourt. Igbocha is in Biafra land. All right.
But I can bring an Igbo man to come and argue the Ikwere man to come and have this conversation.
Maybe that will depend on individual.
Okay.
You can claim that anywhere you come from. You may see an Igbo man, he tell you he's from Nigeria. You may see an Igbo man.
But
like
for you, sir, you're a Biafra.
I'm a Biafra.
And Biafra must go.
Not must. Biafra is already on their own. That's why you people are holding my brother, because you know that we have already existed.
Okay.
All right.
So that is the solution to the.
Can you move the message to Tinubu?
Yes, that's what we are doing right now.
Tell him that there's one Mr. John. He said that Biafra have already started existing.
All right. Thank you so much for that. But Mama, what's up now?
I'm living my problem like this.
I someone love the talk.
So what's up, man? How you doing now?
I'm cool.
How you be today?
I'm cool, my brother.
What you this up? Come on, how was Easter holiday?
Easter holiday is not fine. It's very wrong policy.
So tell us what's going on.
The bad government, the bad Tinubu government is not good. We are not enjoying the country anymore.
So since Tinubu don't come now, they enjoy this administration.
Since Tinubu come into power, there is no happiness, there's no joy. There's no joy in this country. Everywhere is brutal.
Everywhere is brutal.
Yes, everywhere is just condemned. Hunger, killings, people are dying, lose their people up and down because of the bad government that come in.
What is the solution to this problem?
The solution is for Biafra to go now.
So are you a Biafra?
I'm a full-time Biafra man.
Why do you want Biafra to go?
We should go and struggle our own struggle.
So this land where you did now, Biafra land?
This is Biafra land.
Port Harcourt here na Biafra land?
This is Biafra land.
So if Biafra go now, you go happy?
Yes.
Why Biafra?
Huh?
Why Biafra?
Because we are stronger people that can provide things on their own, that can do things well.
Other tribe in Nigeria, other citizens cannot do things well. Is that what
I don't know. I'm knowing about our own country, our own Biafra land country. That's
so Biafra must go.
Yes.
Thank you so much. God bless. What's up, my man? Tinubu, what's up? Tinubu, how you dey?
I can't talk now.
Please wear this. Okay, make I wear am myself. How you be now?
Thank God, Jerry.
Tinubu, how market?
Thank God.
Are you enjoying this administration?
I enjoy because I be real APC. I support my Senate president. It's our turn to rule.
You support Tinubu?
He's our father.
What will you say of this administration now?
What I see there is say, make Nigerian youth keep praying. God will change everything.
When?
Maybe by hustling, maybe by giri.
But it was promised that January, early January, we are in April now, that refinery will work.
Well, we see the plan to make sure say something they equal.
So there is hope for...
There is hope for Nigeria. Understand? So I hear say Nigerian people.
Are you enjoying this Jagaban?
I enjoy the government, but what I see there, you know, say some people they para, some people they first. But what I try to tell my people is say they don't first. Say na good government they rule them.
Okay. Or na good government. This one na good government.
Yes, they rule them.
All right. Thank
Confirm.
you. All right. Thank you. Nigeria divide.
Well, Nigeria plenty. True. Because only one person, you know, if you control this country.
So you suppose to do Arewa and
Yes.
Kapeya.
Now three people where we know for Nigeria. Jibu, Yoruba, Hausa. Make everybody go away. So
only solution, right?
Yes, but from my own understanding, I think the problem because they don't follow the leadership pattern of Goodluck and Yar'Adua. So, like I said, they follow the leadership, the pattern. Things for no be like this as in there now.
But people they cry before some youth go say dollar they go up, dollar they go up. Dollar don't come down now, but price of things still they very as it they very expensive. Is it the problem now? Price don't come down now, but things dollar don't come down now, but price still they.
My brother, I don't know. I know those know because dollar was I think 47.15 something before, but now it's above 1,000. So even if things come down and with the disturbance of this Boko Haram and all these herdsmen, I believe I make things because the production of things may be still limited.
Because of insecurity.
Yes, insecurity, exactly.
So now governmental problem.
Yes, exactly.
Is there a solution for Nigeria?
Yeah, there could be a solution if they will abide by people's voice. Because some people are bringing good contribution, good opinion, but those who there for power, maybe they know they listen to what they cry for. If they go fix, they hear from us. So most of them, they money where people, 100 people carry, one person will carry and put for pocket, allow 99 people they cry, which is wrong now.
What will come do to hold them accountable?
My brother, I know just know because the same could pray. Like last 2 days, the same could pray. We don't pray. I never eat because people say I go add my own fasting. So if I they pray, they fast. I don't know whether I'm getting know that faith them or God know they hear my prayer. Whether I have my own sin, I don't understand. So I don't know.
Your man say me Tinubu come down and hand over to Peter Obi.
If that one go be the best, go make it good, and which I believe to make it if you go try. I only say as the day when people don't come, no like come down again.
Your people this morning talk saying that Biafra be the solution.
Yes, actually, because when our leader Nnamdi Kanu was agitated, he said people should control their resources. I believe if we control their resources, things not will be like this. Because if you come for this side now, South they control their resources. Common men go free they get better thing they chop. So I believe 9.
We will divide Nigeria.
Yes.
Yes,
thank you.
Okay, my wonderful people, may you share this video and let us know what you think, and drop your own opinion for inside our comment, so that we will talk. You know, say things where they happen for this country, they think say people keep quiet, but as it be, people not keep quiet too. Share, and make sure say you check our next update. We'll see they here for news info. They bring you updates.